You've probably heard of Python, but what if I told you it's not just for coding nuts? Python can automate your life, land you a higher paying job, and even power AI like ChatGPT. Stay with me, in just 2 minutes I will answer the most asked questions about Python and why you should start learning it today. Python isn't just another programming language, it's a tool that can literally change your career, automate your routines, and build the next big tech startup. Python is a high-level, beginner-friendly programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It's designed to read like English, making it perfect if you are just starting out. With Python, you can do almost anything: automate boring tasks, analyze data and building machine learning models, create web apps and APIs, build games, control robots, and so forth. Big companies like Google, Instagram, and Netflix use Python for web services, automation, and data science. Whether you are building a simple script or a full-stack app with Django or Python skills. It's readable, powerful, and versatile. You can write quick scripts or manage complex systems. That's why Python is one of the top 3 most popular programming languages in worldwide. Start with beginner tutorials on sites like W3 Schools or YouTube, then build a small project. Focus on problem solving, practice daily. Python's simplicity makes it ideal for self-teaching. If you want to become a data scientist, a web developer, or just automate your life, Python is the best place to start. Hit that subscribe button for more quick real-world coding tips.